in this video I'll be showing you another arbitrage opportunity you can do with as low as $10 and start earning consistently because you chose to watch my videos and stick to my channel. So if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe and share this video. If you're a returning subscriber and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for, bro? Let's take this channel to 1k sub, right? So let's dive right into the video. So if you are already an OG in this channel, you must know that I talk about different arbitrage opportunities in different platforms, right? Now, in this video, this arbitrage opportunity will be from DEX to the exchange, right? So we'll be using packet swap to buy it at a cheap rate, this coin, then we'll send it to an exchange sex where we sell it at a very higher rate, right? And that's basically how arbitrage works. So if you've been told that you can use small capital like $10 to make money from arbitrage trading, I mean, some people will be like, you need a huge chunk of capital to make money from arbitrage opportunity. Bro, this is my channel is here to prove them wrong consistently, back to back, through my videos that I've been posting in this channel. Like you already know, most of the arbitrage opportunities we do use a minimum of even $10 to do that, and we get mostly double of our profit instantly, right? So yeah, the name of the project we'll be looking into today to exploit and make money is Toko. So I'll be using this packet swaps first, so you can see Toko coin right now. Depending on your capital, it could go as low as $10, $5 even. Yeah, but $10 is more reasonable, right? Because you're here to make money faster, right? And smart. So minimum of $10, then $50, $100, $1,000. Based off on your capital and your pockets, right? My point is anybody can do this and make money. So put in $10, right? So let's see how much would be equivalent in Toko. So it is 73,409 Toko. Then you can even see that the profit is already there. It's obvious that the price exploitation is very high on this particular coin because you can buy this here and still swap it back to BNB and make money, but that's not the plan, right? Because of this pledge here, it won't be wise to do this here, wise. So we have to send it to an exchange, a sex exchange, and make this money. And the exchange we'll be using will be Get.io to exploit this price, right? You have to do this ASAP, bro. So open up your Get.io and search for the coin Toko. Remember the name is Toko, right? So let's skip this. So let's go over to search and search for Toko, Toko. Know how we can exploit this price. Go to the buy area. Now, remember the price of Toko. We copied it 73,000 something, right? So we basically have to paste it here and see the amount it will be. So basically the profit here is $13, right? So we'll have to minus $13 from $10 we used to buy this on the packet swap, right? So our profit here will be $3.5. Now this might be low because of the amount we used, right? But then we can do this multiple times. Remember, like I said, it's not wise to swap it there because of the slippage that will be high on pancake swap. That's the best reason we have to send it here, regardless of the lower amount we might get, right? But this is still something, right? $3. If you do this multiple times, maybe 2 times or 3 times in a day successfully, then we have about $9, 9 point something dollars, and that's like double of our capital we started with. So for me, arbitrage trading is the best way to build capital if you are looking into entering crypto space. So if you want to start trading and don't have capital, arbitrage trading is the best way to go to build your capital for this type of trading, right? Then if you are looking to just make money without taking the risks of trading, right, then arbitrage trading is another way you can do this because arbitrage trading does its own thing within minutes or an hour, so it doesn't give room for crashes, right? So the worst that can happen in arbitrage trading is you send it and you get back your money, and you won't exploit the price because the price might have already balanced out. Basically, it always balances out, right? Because if exchanges find out there is um, a price exploitation in different exchanges or platforms, I mean, they will have to fix that. So that's why it is good to do arbitrage trading on the spot. You don't have to overthink it. If you see the way, if it's clear enough for you to do it, you check the gas fee. If it's reasonable enough, then you go ahead immediately and do it and exploit the price and take your money out. That's basically how arbitrage trading. Overthinking arbitrage trading, planning arbitrage trading doesn't work that way because the price might balance out when you least expect it to. So that's the worst that can happen. But then the best way to build up capital from a small amount to a higher amount to enter the trading space is through arbitrage trading. I mean, or airdrops as well. So that's it too. So if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and possibly share this video to your friends that might be interested in this type of content, right? You don't know who you might be helping. I mean, so yeah. So let's go.